Ate perlu sedang selap cepat asam ngadan mentah Sonapur asam telah sedang selap mentah first time selap sini mah dah aja me khalayang alayo kan nanti semua bah tu channel jong melu kale meleban bala hero selap setai sa kiang te sini pat mentah first one selap te ngamti break men skam banyak selap teh namar au pum setai sebarang dapat wan mi setai that dust definitely will enter your nose and you'll get like coughing definitely, okay, coughing, so headache, so it will come to sinus. So really irritate and disturb our feeling when sinus is there, and if it was heavy even the noise also our sounds also will change, so that will irritate and disturbing people, so they'll make it they will not like you, and you also will not like that voice. So hopefully there will be rain, and this is as usual, okay, every summer. So right now it's February, so the rain has started, and I am happy a bit, okay, I'm happy, so thank you Lord for this blessing. I hope so this year will be good year.